What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The Kitty Bop.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box.
Look! Top hats!
And tap shoes. Let's be dancers and do the Kitty Bop.
But I'm not very good at dancing.
Don't worry. It's easy.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran to the TV studio to perform on Who's Got Talent.
Hi, we're the Dancing Kittens. When are we on?
You're fourth, right here after the Daredevil Ducks.
Kit, let's practice, okay?
Later. We have plenty of time.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Yo-Yo!
Wasn't he great?
Come on, Kit. We gotta practice.
Don't worry. It's easy.
And now, prepare to be amazed by the amazing Magno!
Kit, please teach me. We're running out of time.
Don't worry. It's easy.
Let's give a warm round of quacks for the Daredevil Ducks! Quack, 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 quack!
Okay, kittens, get yourselves ready. You're up next.
Oh, no. You have to teach me now.
All right. Watch. It's easy. Paws go up, paws go down. Nod your head and turn around. Now shake, 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 then hop, hop, hop. You're doing the Kitty Bop. Your turn.
Wait, what do I do first?
I just showed you. Paws go up, paws go down, nod your head, and turn around.
Kit, I can't. It's too hard.
No, it isn't. Just do what I'm doing.
Okay, Kit and Kate, you're on.
You ready?
No.
Come on, it's easy. Paws go up, paws go down. Nod your head and turn around. What are you doing? You're doing the Kitty Bop.
Who's got talent? You sure don't
You ruined everything. It's all your fault.
Then along came a mysterious stranger. Whoa, what happened?
Kate ruins everything.
How?
I taught her to dance, but she completely messed it up.
'Cause it's hard.
No, it's not. It's easy. See? Anyone can do it.
How about the juggling? Can you do this?
No, juggling's hard.
It's easy for me.
Maybe for you, but not for me. Oh, I get it. Just because something's easy for you doesn't mean it's easy for everyone.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, I promise to give you the time you need to learn. Then you'll be as good as I am.
Maybe even better. Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their dancing adventure all over again. But this time,
Let's practice, okay?
Sure, Kate.
Kit was patient and gave Kate all the time she needed to learn.
Try again. You'll get it.
And when something was too hard, Kit would keep showing her.
No, hop 3 times.
Oh, right.
Until she learned the whole dance.
I think I got it.
Good job.
Okay, Kit and Kate, you're on.
You ready, Kate?
I'm ready. Paws go up, paws go down. Nod your head and turn around. Now shake, 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 then hop, hop, hop. You're doing the Kitty Bop. Bop, 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 bop. Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Just desserts.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box. Look, Kate. A watering can and straw hats.
We can be dessert farmers.
Yeah, and grow cookies.
Sweet. Go, kitties, let's go.
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran straight to the general store.
Hi, do you sell seeds?
We want to grow some desserts.
Let me guess. You're hoping to win that blue ribbon today for best dessert in the county fair?
I guess we are now.
Well, I've got blueberry flambe trees, zesty cupcake bushes, lemon tart plants.
How about some good old chocolate chip cookies?
Yeah, we're old school. I'll make the holes, and you drop the seeds. Then I'll cover, and you water.
Right. You poke, I'll plop, you squish, I'll splash. Cookies!
Great! Let's collect them. I'll carry the basket, and you put them in.
Sure! Let's go! We're gonna win that blue ribbon for sure!
Yeah!
Oops! Dropped one. I'd hate to see it go to waste.
Hey, no fair! I want to taste one too. We got the winning cookies. We got the winning. Oh!
What's wrong, Kit?
Tummy ache. I'll be right back.
Are you all right, Kit? Ugh! Oh, my stomach. Hurry up, Kit. I gotta get in there.
What happened to us, Kate?
It must be the cookies we ate.
You're right. We better dump them.
So much for winning that contest.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's the matter, kittens? It seems you're not feeling well.
Terrible is more like it. Oh.
We grew chocolate chip cookies, but they made our tummies hurt.
Why? Did you eat too many of them?
No, I only ate one.
Me too. Ugh.
Strange. I've never heard of anyone getting a stomachache from just one cookie. Are you sure you didn't eat something else?
No.
Hey, what is that on your paws?
Dirt. I had to dig the holes. Oh, some of the dirt from my paws got on the cookie I ate, and that's what made me sick.
But my hands weren't dirty.
Wait, but your cookie fell on the ground, remember?
Oh, right. So that's how dirt got into my tummy.
Now I understand. If you don't want to get sick, you have to wash your hands before you eat.
And never eat food that fell on the ground. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. And this time, we'll make sure no dirt gets into our tummies.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their farming adventure all over again. But this time, they were careful not to eat anything that could be dirty and make them sick.
Better throw that cookie away, Kit. We don't want anyone to get sick from it.
Good idea. And let's go wash our hands so we can give our cookies a taste.
There, all clean. Now it's your turn, Kit.
Thanks, Kate. Now all the dirt is gone.
Delicious! And this year's winner for best dessert goes to Kit and Kate.
I sure hope the judge washed his hands.
Oh, excuse me.